Hey, Jason K here. I am standing in front of unit number 2, building 1. It is an interior unit at Viola. New townhome construction project here in Boulder, as you can tell by the flat irons behind me. This unit is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, full 2 half bath with a loft, 2,000 square feet, or just a hair under. It also has a 1-car garage. So I'm going to flip the camera around. And look, 1-car garage. Like our neighbor, it's going to be very similar to this, look a lot like it. Very deep garage, can easily get a full-size pickup truck in here, maybe a couple of bicycles. You pop out through the door without getting stabbed by the rebar. There's unit 1, and here's unit 2, and unit 3, which again looks very similar. So this big piece right in here, zoom out, not in, there we go. You think I'd know how to do things. This big piece in here, this is all the yard. So you actually have a decent sized yard, can easily get some planting, some vegetables. Let me know in the comments below, what would you use the yard for? Just a patio to hang out, or what? All the townhomes here do have natural gas, so you can have a natural gas hookup for your grills. So like our neighbor next door, I'm going to just walk in and swing around. You have the entryway with a closet right over here, and you've got your drop-down spot with hooks and another closet space. And a massive window, which will show you the yard. And as you come closer out, the view's absolutely spectacular. Being Boulder in the end of summer, we have clouds and a thunderstorm looking like it's going to roll through, and some blue sky still left. So as we're standing in the house, built-in gas fireplace, island already framed, and again, massive windows. There are no lights in here, so this is all natural light. Again, understair storage, ton of it. Powder room as soon as you walk in. The front door that very few people will ever actually walk through, with actually a really nice size front patio. And a great big window for tons of light. These units do have 9-foot ceilings, so it'll feel nice and airy. Again, the blue on the walls are soundboard, so you will not hear your neighbors. I've been in the other units they've completed. TV's blasting, you're inside, no clue. It's also the fire break. So let's head upstairs, shall we? This layout's slightly different, although it is a mirrored universe from next door neighbor. Does not have as many windows because not an end unit. But what this one does have is 2 separate baths. So coming in here towards the back, this is the bedroom everyone will be fighting for. So this is the primary. Let's get under the board. And the view, absolutely stunning. You'll still have this view, I've been assured, even with the next door neighbor townhomes built in. Again, what we have in here is the master bathroom. In here, you've got your water closet, some storage area, sinks, and it's all good. Over here, we have the walk-in closet. So this whole space in here, which I know, again, kind of weird seeing through with framing, but that's the joy. Guess what? We're coming back to see it once it's drywalled. Yay! Like before, this first space in here, this is going to be your stackable washer dryer. This in here will be some utilities. And this in here will be the main hall bathroom for these 2 bedrooms. So this is the smallest of the 2 bedrooms. Still big window, decent sized bedroom, standard size closet, plenty for a child. Let me know what you would use this for. Would it be a child? Would it be an office space? Hold that thought, because wait until you see what could be your office. This is the 2nd bedroom, slightly bigger. Again, massive window. I mean, just the views coming out and heading north are stunning. One of my favorite views right out here is this. I actually like this more than flat irons. Let me know. Do you like that better than the flat irons? Or do you think it's about the same? Decent sized closet. Heading upstairs, instead of a bedroom like its next door neighbor, this has flex space. So there is going to be a fireplace up here that is already framed and a half bath. So there's our half bath. So what would you use the space for? Would this become a giant game room? If so, what would you have up here? Shuffleboard, pool table? Feel sorry for the movers on that one. Or would you use this with as your office? I mean, just check out this deck up here and the views. Views are, oh my God, stunning. This is something you have to see in person. So, again, I am Jason K. Thank you so much for being here. Definitely appreciate you joining me on the mirror image tour of unit number 2, building 1 at Viola. This unit, again, is 1.68 million. It is 2,000 square feet, 3 bed, 2 full bath, 2 half bath. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Does the view make it worth it? Is it worth it just being in Boulder? Love to hear your comments. As always, hit subscribe and smash that notification button so you can see how these things are getting completed and what they look like. All these units at this point, you get to pick the final looks. You get to work with the cabinet desires, the color palettes, the flooring, get to build it to your specs. And as we've seen before with new construction, a lot of times these go quick. So let me know what you think below. And always live your best life. Thanks so much. Have a great day. As always, tell me what you think of this home in the comments below. You can give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. I'm always here to help you in your home search journey. And even if you're just unsure about what to do in order to get a home or what that process looks like, I can help. It may be more within your reach than you think. While you start your home buying journey, learn how we can help you save anywhere between $25,000 to $100,000 or more. I'll go over all the programs that are available for you, whether it's a first-time buyer or the more advanced techniques that investors favor. I can show you how to literally save you thousands and thousands on your home purchase. Want to know more? Book time on my calendar on the link below, or give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. My name is Jason K, and I'm your local Boulder Valley realtor, and I can't wait to show you around. And don't forget to click that like button and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. And as always, live your best life.